This is your axle tube. Your axle rides inside the tube, and the axle has bearings on it, and the tube has races on it, which lets the bearings ride in the races. The customer evidently didn't know that he had axle seals leaking. So when I pulled it down, it had no oil in the chain case, which would let the axle bearings run dry and damage the axle bearings. The hubs have been running on the bottom of this axle tube, and it has ate a lot of it away, but it didn't damage the inside, so we're good. So now he's got to replace 2 hubs and all the bearings and races and axle seals. So hopefully he'll be good now.